Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today, it's easy, it's really delicious, it's really healthy. It's a chickpea and kale curry. Yes, a little bit weird. It is a dry curry and I make it with kale because I just love kale and kale has so many benefits. So I recommend you try it. And if you don't have kale, you can use any other green leaf. Olive oil. I'm gonna wait for the oil to get hot and then I'm gonna add some spices. Cumin seeds, mustard seed. Once they start to pop, I'm gonna add my ginger and onions. Ginger, onions. I have some chilies. This is always optional. Garlic. Give it a couple minutes, stirring all the time. Okay, and now in go cooked chickpeas. Black pepper, coriander, and some turmeric. A little bit of salt, and now the kale. A little drop of water, and that's it. Once the kale is cooked, it's done. I like the kale still slightly crunchy, but it's up to you how you want to cook it. And that's it, it's done. You have the option either to have it with a fork or you can have it with chapati bread, and the recipe is on the website for chapati. Delicious. This is what I call healthy, easy, and quick. Enjoy.